All right, folks. Now leaving at Martinez is Capital Corridor train 747. Your southbound destination of this train is downtown San Jose's Diridon. 2124 leads up this one. 8205 Monterey Bay. 8810 Truckee River. 8810 Owens Valley. And Cabcar 8304 Mountain Wilson. Nice. And there she goes. South to San Jose. We'll continue on to Richmond, Berkeley, Emeryville, Oakland, Jack London Square, Coliseum, Hayward, Fremont, Levi Stadium in Great America, Santa Clara, and the final destination of this train is downtown San Jose's Diridon. Nice. No defects. Detector out. Yep, that's it. Live in Martinez, folks. Thank you all for watching, and I'm out. Till next time. See ya.